Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 9099. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. All right. We have here 2, 3 threes, 1 4, 2, 3 5s, 1 6, 2 3 7s, 2 8s, and 2 3 9s. So the twos is majority. So let me start with the 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above the only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 in the second column, no 2 there. The only place left 2 should be there. 2 2 2 2 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row? So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3, 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. How about the 9 in the last column? 9 in the column next. So that column, no, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 7 1 1 1 1 1 1. Need a 2 there. 9 9, need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Need a 3 there. 4. I'm thinking. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Shoot it down. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Here can be 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this big square, no 5 there. Only place left with 5 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes down. 4 9 7 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left is 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. 4 and 9. 7, 7, 7. Okay. Need a 3 here. Well. The 2 there. 4, 8, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 2, 4 and then 9. Then let me see. 4, 1, 4, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. 1, 4 and 6. 1, 4 and 6. 1, 1. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. Need a 5 there. Well, need a 5 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. Should be here. 7. Need a 8. Need a 9. Come on. 4 and a 9. 4, 9 and 8. Yeah. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3 here. I'm thinking. Need a 6 there. No 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Yeah. Come on. 7. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. Need a 7. Well, in this row we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7, 8. And this box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. Can be a 4. We have a 4 in this column. Can be an 8. We have an 8 in this column. So 1 digit left. Should be the 7 then. Okay. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 in the column next. No 7 there. The only place left. The 7 should be there. We have all the 7s. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 4 and 8. 4 and 9. 4, 8. And 1. 1, 1. 4 and 8. Come on. This is taking too long. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 9. Well, need a 9 here. What I need, we have a pair here. The 3 and the 9 in the third row, the 3 and the 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places level 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place level 1 should be there. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Well, I think this box should be a 6 because in this row, here can be a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the only place level 6 should be there then. So one box left in this big square for number 4. So two boxes left in the third row for the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column 3. Only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. I need a 4 here. Okay, need a 1 here, need a 1 there, need a 2 there, need a 2 here, need a 8 here, and I need a 6 here. 6 should be here. Well, 4, 8, and I need a 9 here. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 9, 3, and need a 6. Yeah. 9 and a 6. Well. Need a 4 here. 4, need a 4 there. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Come on. This is taking too long. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 2, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in a row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And we have a pair. 2 and a 6 in this column. 2 and a 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left with 1. Could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, the 6, 7, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 3 places left. 1, 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 could be here, could be there. Come on, 1 in this row, third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, there are only 3 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 6, and I need a 4 here. 1, 2, 6, 1, 6, 2 or a 4. In the first row we have 4 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 1, the 2, and the 6 here. So 1 digit left should be the 4 then. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 1 2 6 1 2 6 1 2 1 6 2 2, need a 2 here or there. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left with 2, could be here, could be there. Here we have 2 numbers left in this column, middle column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Do we have all the 2s? No. 7, need a 5 here. This box, 1 2 3 4 5, could be a 6 also, yeah. I need a 6 here. Need a 3. How about this box? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, got you. Hidden number. This box is a hidden number. Naked number. Some people call this a naked number. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be could be cannot be a 4. We have a 4 in the big square. Can be a 5, can be 6, can be 7. Should be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, we got you. 8, 4 and 8, we have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is missing here. 9 and a 3, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. Need a 9 here, 9 and then 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, in the third column. Only place left with 6 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row. The only 2 places left from 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in this last row, so this box should be an 8, and that box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 and 6, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there, and a final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 19 minutes. Well, we solve it again, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars, and we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.